Hey Pack Rats! You know how YouTubers always have their microphones set up on an enormous boom stand above their heads just out of frame? Like this? Well, this kind of a setup takes up a ton of space. And if you don't have it permanently set up, then it's a real pain to set it up every time you have to shoot a video. And if you have to travel with a setup like this, it's even more of a pain. But I have a better solution. You can actually set up your microphone not overhead, but down low. For a talking head shot like this, the distance between the microphone and your mouth really isn't that different whether the microphone is overhead or down low. If I frame myself exactly like this, with my eyes on the top line of the rule of thirds grid, then the distance between the microphone to my mouth, if the microphone is down low, is 20 inches. And the distance from the microphone to my mouth, if the microphone is up high, is 15 inches. That is a 5-inch difference. But the difference in portability between this setup and that setup is so much more than 5 inches. Okay, let me show you my setup. So for the shotgun mic, I choose to use the Video Mic NTG because I can just clip my Rode Wireless Go onto the bottom of it. The bottom of the Video Mic NTG is actually shaped like a cold shoe rail. So since the Rode Wireless Go can clip into cold shoes, it really easily clips into the bottom of the Video Mic NTG, making it a super clean package and of course making it wireless. So the next part of this setup is a little GoPro ball head that I bought off of Amazon. But the most special part of this setup is the GoPro 3-way mount. This allows me to make this super adjustable and also pack down super small. Sometimes you have to do a bit of a balancing act to get this to the right height and also not have it fall down. So you can see I'm just making it taller here, or I can make it a lot shorter. It's really whatever you need your setup to be. Here is an example of what the microphone sounds like when it's out of frame, down low. Okay, and here is what it sounds like when the microphone is just out of frame, overhead. Talk, 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 test, 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 talk, talk, talk. So just for comparison, I've just broken down my light stand and what I use for a boom arm. So you can see how big that is compared to this little setup. Pretty cool, eh? So if this video helped you out at all, please tap that subscribe button, smash it, bash it, kick it, however you want to do it, tickle it. I would love to get to 100 subscribers, and I love to show you guys more of the fun gear tips that I have for the most efficient way to pack and use gear. Thanks, guys.